Shri Ganesh and Goddess Saraswati, please bless me and accept this humble offering. With respectful namaskars to this random reader and stray listener. A few words by Grumpy Grandpa Pandemonium. In keeping with the wishes of my nieces, nephews, and grandchildren, I venture to sail out in the internet ocean with this new YouTube channel. To keep a pestering cranky old uncle busy with a mental toy and out of their hectic work-filled paths, they flattered my writing abilities and skills, saying it deserved a worldwide audience, perhaps with an unsaid underlying wish that, as we suffered, may others suffer too. Before I knew it, I was pushed by them into this arena where the world can watch my worldly acrobatics and imaginary duels, much alike Don Quixote. For your info in brief, Don Quixote is a fictional character who lives in his own imaginary world of the past and mixes it with reality, resulting in disastrous consequences. His lackey's name is unique, Sancho Panza, a classic marvelously created by Spanish author Cervantes. So, succumbing to their diversionary tactics, I confess that I too yielded to the temptation of a chance to torture a greater number of innocent, unknown, unsuspecting, unaware people caught off guard rather than just a regular, well habituated select few. And so, to chastise and keep the human species subjugated by numbing their brains, the cruel Greek gods unleashed this monster writer on an innocent world living blissfully ignorant of the oncoming horror. And great god Abracadabra, also known as Onomatopoeia or Asafoetida, god of the fatigued followers, said, "Let loose Mr. Bhandasur," or the demon of illogical cacophonic confusion. On a serious note, however, the author hopes that you all enjoy reading or listening to these stories and articles as much as he has enjoyed conjuring or making them up. I hope that you all savor the play of words and the sound of music inherent in their pronunciations, just as they have charmed and amused me. If nothing else, I assure all insomniacs that by listening to my monotonous tone, even the most die-hard, stay-awake fanatic will be lulled into a snoring comatose or sleep. A last few thousand words. Abracadabra is just the English equivalent of the Marathi words Allah mantar, Kulla mantar, Choo, meaning something magical is going to happen. Onomatopoeia, yes, it's an English word. Onomatopoeia is a poetic structure of words to convey sound and meaning of the word together. Example, hiss, thud, slam, bang, gurgle. Asafoetida. I always thought from the way it sounded that asafoetida was a vulgar word until I knew that it was the Indian spice hing. Special thanks to Alicia Santikari and Chandrakant Sant for their technical help, without which my words would not have seen the light of online audience at the end of the endless dark tunnel of oblivion. Special thanks to Siddo Bhandankar, also known as Siddesh Bhandarkar, for his technical help, but more so for his unique contribution of the world's worst jokes, more insipid or tasteless than a college canteen menu, or more washed out than Mumbai monsoons, flatter than a punctured tire or a burst balloon, and more repulsive than the sound of scratching nails grating on glass, or a soggy and smelly, stinky sock. I think the reader or listener got my damned overstressed point. Thanks, dear listener, for tolerating me. Thank you.